Alteria Automation is an engineering company that designs, manufactures, and markets an innovative range of Industry 4.0 products. Our smart sensor range acquires the physical variables and wirelessly forwards the data that is relevant to the manufacturing process. To evaluate machinery health condition in order to create predictive maintenance models using big data and neural network technologies. With application in production lines, industrial robotics, energy plants, and to any rotating machinery. Alteria uses innovative and proprietary technology based around the embedded edge concept that pre-processes the sensor data at the origin. That technology is considered the future of industrial IoT. Our products are non-intrusive, are easy to retrofit into existing production line. Alteria is working on several projects with large companies such as Daimler-Benz, Powerlace, Soltec, ArcelorMittal, developing custom applications for predictive maintenance, process control, and environmental industrial monitoring. Check our website for more information at www.alteriaautomation.com.